ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.
وعلیکم السلام.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد فقد قال الله تعالى أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I am starting with your divine name. I am not aware of the future. I am starting with your divine name. I am not aware of the future. This is a plea to Allah. Please give words to the tongue that affect the heart. This is the title of my speech today. And of you will be aware of the importance of this and will also be aware of its value. Today my topic is importance of hijab. Ya ayyuhan nabiy qul li azwajika wa banatika wa nisa'il mu'minin yudnina 'alayhinna min jalabibihinna dhalika adna an yu'rafna fala yu'dhain wa kana Allahu ghafurur rahima. I informed all of you. He recited a small verse in which Allah says, O Prophet, tell your wives and daughters and the women of the believers to hang the ends of their cloak over themselves. Dear audience, the meaning of hijab is to be clarified. Hijab means that a woman covers her entire body, does not go naked in front of a non-mahram. Dear audience, but it is said that modesty should be in sight while asking such. People started then in the Quran did Allah order the addressing their wives, prophet and the Muslim to well. Friends, it is necessary to understand that Islam is not a prison, but it is a way to make life easier. Hijab is not the same as not being stereotyped because people started wearing clothes when they progressed, and if the heel of hell will be wearable in the hereafter. My dear sisters, the veiled girls are of any empire, but are called the princess of Islam. With this prayer, I would like to ask permission from all of you that my Allah Almighty grant all Muslim women to wear hijab and practice Islam. Amin. Thank you so much for all your honors. Assalamu alaikum.